Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of HGG Home, our DIY design and lifestyle series. Today I'm sharing with you a tour of our kitchen. When we moved into this home, we had some input on design elements for the kitchen, such as countertops, cabinetry color, the tile that we wanted. However, some of our options from the design center we didn't love, such as hardware and appliances. So we just went with the most basic options for those items we weren't really fond of, knowing that over time we would update the kitchen to be exactly the way that we wanted it. If you've been watching our videos for a while, you've likely seen our videos where we've shared how we've updated the hood above our stove, how we've updated the kitchen island, our faucet, hardware, etc. And if you haven't watched those videos, I will link them all below in the video description box. Today, however, I thought it would just be really fun if we could just hang out together. So pull up a bar stool, grab a cup of tea or coffee, and I will just give you a tour of my kitchen. I also want to thank Build with Ferguson, who collaborated with us on some of the items in our kitchen. They have so many amazing items for your home projects at build.com. So definitely check them out. And I'm gonna put lots of links for everything I'm mentioning today in the video description box. And now let's get started with our tour. So let's start with this kitchen island. I love it. It's very big and spacious. Here's what it looked like when we first moved in. It was a beautiful island, but it needed a little something extra. So we decided to go with a board and batten look and paint the island a dark charcoal, almost black color. And the paint is from Ecos Paints. I was really nervous about such a bold color choice, but I'm so happy with it. It adds so much warmth and character to this space. We currently do not have bar stools at our kitchen island because our kids are still really little, and I feel that they would just be climbing up on the stools all day long and giving me a heart attack that they're gonna fall off. So no bar stools right now while they're little, but we have plenty of other seating options at our dining room table. We also do not have pendant lights hanging above our island, which is a really common feature, and we decided to not have any pendant lights because this is the kitchen that we film our recipe videos in. And sometimes if you have pendant lights, they get in the way of filming. So if you're wondering about that, no pendant lights, because this is the kitchen we film in. We do have a good amount of kitchen storage on the island where we put items such as bakeware, our food processor, some utensils, and items we need quick access for our recipe shoots, such as linens and measuring spoons. Our rug here is from Cadle Home, and we've had it for many years, so it's very well worn and loved, but I just absolutely love it, and I will try and link as many things as I can that I mentioned in today's video in the video description box below. So moving back to this area of our kitchen, this is our coffee and our supplement station. I love my supplement organizer. For me, it's really important that I actually see my supplements each day, which reminds me to take them. We also have a Keurig, and one of my favorite tips for using this is to use a reusable coffee pod. It's better for the environment, and you still get the perfect and fast cup of coffee every time. Next, we have our fridge, which is the GE Profile Collection 36-inch wide French door. And for a peek inside our fridge and freezer, I'll link both of those videos below. And what I love about this fridge is the front water feature. We have a reverse osmosis filtration system out in our garage that actually runs water straight into our fridge. And I love the ease of filtered water and ice right here. And I also love the depth of this fridge. It's very spacious. So moving along, I love this spot in our kitchen. I love the wooden cutting boards and the wooden utensils, and you often see this little spot here right behind me when we're filming our videos. So here's a peek inside our cabinets. I did not prep or clean these at all, so this is exactly what they look like all the time. These are a lot of our bowls, and these are kind of a mix between a bowl and a plate. We use these every single day. And then in this cabinet back here, we have more plates, kid plates, and then some of our fancy glasses that we use for food photography or recipe shoots. Our hood, when we moved in, was very basic and had cabinets above that we didn't really use. So Aaron built this hood instead, which is really beautiful, and I'll link the video showing how he built this hood below. Our stove is really great because it's actually a double oven. It's the GE Profile Collection 30-inch double oven. It is a gas stovetop with 5 burners and 2 separate ovens, and the smaller one up top we use all the time because it heats up really quickly. And this range is also smart in that it has Wi-Fi and many other great features such as a timed start and cook, and you can tell the oven when to turn on and when to turn off. So next is our spice drawer where we keep all of our spices. In this cabinet is where we keep things like olive oil and peanut butter, coconut oil, etc. This corner is our smoothie and tea station. We also like to keep colanders on the counter for quick access, and this little nifty one is actually a rice strainer, but we use it for rinsing and serving berries. It's amazing. And then in this basket, I like to keep all of my teas. And of course, a kitchen would not be complete without a sink. I love ours. I love the big white farmhouse sink as well as this faucet. I love the faucet in the sink. It's so beautiful. The brand is Messino, and this is the Mia pull-down faucet in black, and it has a regular flow, spray, and even a pause button. My favorite cleaner for our kitchen is hands down Branch Basics. We've been using it for years. It's non-toxic and it also works really great. I'll put a link below my discount code if you want to give Branch Basics a try too. Like I said, we've used it for years and we really love it. And I even use it to clean my son's high chair too, which we keep in this spot of the kitchen when we're not using it over at the table. We also have our dishwasher over here, which is the GE Profile Collection dishwasher. And I love the extra spots for loading small items such as coffee cup lids or kid items. One other element in the kitchen that we updated is our hardware, and the knobs and pulls are from two separate brands. The knobs are from Amarok and the pulls are from Messino, just like our faucet. And since Build.com has such a large variety of great hardware, we were able to find different knobs that work together from the same website. Moving along to our giant family table. Aaron built this table and I love it. I also love these tall Windsor style chairs, and I'll put a link below for these chairs. And just what I love about this table is how rustic and well loved it is. The last little spot in our kitchen is this nook, which is probably my favorite spot in the house. This is what it looked like to start when we moved in, and here is what it looks like now. We filmed a video for this transformation, and I've updated the space a little bit since we shot that video, and I just love the barnwood shelves and this beautiful picture of this farmhouse, and just everything together. It just looks so beautiful. But to be honest, this is not clean most of the time. This counter is usually covered in books and kids' art projects and homeschool items. I do have drawers here which I try to organize with our homeschool items and craft supplies, etc. as well. And then in some of these cabinets, we also have items we use for special occasions or for filming, such as cutting boards and big bowls and things like that. So that's our kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this tour. I'm a big homebody and I really love our home. If you have any questions about it, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.